Alright everybody, I'm going to try and do this video unedited so it's quick. I'm going to just show you here. These are the boards that I made. 2x4, roughly 30 inches long. Eye hook. It's pretty cheap. I'm just going to do it close to the end here so you can see it. So I'm just going to get this right up on the edge of my frame there. And I'll put the other one over there. Pretty simple. Let's get the strap in here. So I think this will be easier once I have those ratchet straps that are retractable. Oh, I forgot the most important part. Check it out. So this is how rocky the trailer is. You can see that before I do this. Just gonna hook that on there. Get the excess through here. Just crank it in a little bit till it's snug. Trailer doesn't move. There you have it, pretty simple.